School's out forever.
Hey Katie, I'm having a really hard time getting Jeremiah to do his homework. Do you have a blend that you could make me to help him focus?
I sure do. For this recipe, you'll use fir needle essential oil and tangerine essential oil. Tangerine is really uplifting. That'll help boost the mood when Jeremiah starts to feel bummed out about his homework. It also helps boost creativity to help him problem solve. Fir needle is really good at helping with focus. And so with the focus and the attitude adjustment, I think Jeremiah is going to be rocking out that homework.
I'm excited. How do you make it?
To make it, you're just going to add 1 drop of each into your diffuser. Beautiful. And you're just going to close your diffuser, plug it in, and let it diffuse. A good tip for using a diffuser with kids is they breathe more often than adults, and they also need less essential oils to get the benefits. So it's good to just diffuse for about 15 minutes, and you really want to make sure that you're doing it in an open room so that the smell doesn't get overwhelming.
All right, thanks for the suggestions.
And if you really like this blend, you can create a master blend using 50 drops of each oil.
Awesome.
And then you'll have your blend ready to go. Whenever it needs a little bit of extra focus, that's the blend for you. And now we have a Gloria and some balloons. If you're interested in making this recipe, subscribe to our essential oil recipe box and you'll get both of these essential oils, plus 2 more, a label for your master blend, and recipe cards.
And when you subscribe today, you get a big bonus box. The bonus box has all the contents you're gonna need for the next 6 months worth of recipes that will be coming to you.
This recipe box is full of essential oils that are kid-friendly and recipes that are kid-friendly, including a natural slime recipe, a DIY stress ball, which you'll use this balloon for.
Bubbles, 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 bubbles.
So subscribe today
And make your home more natural. Bye.
School's out for
Summer.
summer.